In the vast expanse of our world's oceans, an extraordinary concert unfolds every day, one that has been playing for millions of years. The performers are none other than the largest creatures to have ever existed on Earth, blue whales. But what makes their songs so remarkable? And why do these magnificent beings communicate in ways that continue to astound scientists? Imagine standing next to a jet engine. Now imagine something even louder. Blue whale vocalizations can reach an astonishing 188 decibels, making them one of the most intense sounds produced by any living creature on our planet. To put this in perspective, these vocalizations are louder than a jet engine at takeoff, which typically registers around 140 decibels. Even more impressive is the range of these calls. Under optimal oceanic conditions, these powerful sounds can travel up to 1,000 miles through the water, effectively turning the vast ocean into their personal amphitheater. The blue whale's acoustic repertoire is far more sophisticated than many might imagine. Their vocalizations operate within a frequency range of 8 to 25 Hertz, with some calls detected as low as 10 Hertz and as high as 40 Hertz. Many of these frequencies are so low, they fall below the human hearing threshold, creating a hidden symphony that plays out in the depths of our oceans. These giants communicate through 3 distinct types of vocalizations, each serving its own unique purpose in their underwater society. First, we have the pulsed A calls, the signature sound of male blue whales, characterized by rhythmic sequences that echo through the depths. These calls are primarily used in their quest for love and reproduction, a haunting melody that can travel vast distances through the ocean. Then there are the tonal B calls, lasting between 10 to 30 seconds. These longer, more melodic vocalizations are also predominantly produced by males during their courtship rituals, creating complex patterns that scientists believe play a crucial role in mate selection. Finally, we have the D calls, shorter, downswept tones that serve as the social currency of both male and female blue whales. These vocalizations act as their primary means of communication during feeding times and social interactions, helping to coordinate group activities in the vast oceanic expanse. When it comes to vocalizations, male and female blue whales tell very different stories. Recent scientific studies using acoustic tags have revealed a striking disparity. Approximately 50% of tagged males were recorded producing vocalizations, while only about 5% of tagged females were documented making sounds. This dramatic difference highlights the distinct roles these vocalizations play in blue whale society. Males are the ocean's troubadours, constantly singing their complex songs, particularly during solitary travel or in their pursuit of potential mates. Their vocalizations are more frequent and varied, incorporating both the A and B calls into elaborate acoustic displays that can last for extended periods. Females, in contrast, take a more selective approach to vocalization. Their calls are typically reserved for specific contexts, primarily during social interactions within groups or while coordinating feeding activities. They produce D calls exclusively, using these shorter, more practical vocalizations to maintain group cohesion and communicate during foraging. The purpose behind these magnificent vocalizations extends far beyond simple communication. These songs serve as a sophisticated system of survival, social interaction, and species preservation. During social gatherings, their calls act as acoustic beacons, helping maintain group cohesion in the vast three-dimensional space of the ocean. Males use specific calls during breeding seasons, their songs carrying crucial information about their presence and readiness to mate. While blue whales primarily rely on their vision for navigation, Their vocalizations play a vital role in orientation, particularly in deep or murky waters where visibility is limited. This acoustic ability becomes especially crucial in today's oceans, where increasing levels of anthropogenic noise pose new challenges to their communication effectiveness. During feeding times, specific vocalizations help coordinate group activities and signal the presence of prey, transforming individual foraging into a coordinated group effort. This acoustic cooperation helps these massive creatures efficiently locate and exploit food sources in the vast ocean expanses. The mechanism behind these powerful vocalizations is a marvel of natural engineering, operating through a process similar to Helmholtz resonance. Air flows from their massive lungs into specialized upper respiratory structures, creating vibrations that resonate through the water. This sophisticated biological equipment allows them to modulate their calls based on behavioral needs and environmental conditions, producing sounds that can traverse vast oceanic distances. In recent decades, scientists have observed a fascinating trend. Blue whale vocalizations have been progressively shifting towards lower frequencies. This evolutionary adaptation might be a response to the increasing ambient noise in our oceans, as human maritime activities continue to expand. It represents a remarkable example of how these ancient creatures are adapting to the changing acoustic landscape of their environment. Just as human languages have different dialects, blue whale populations around the world have developed their own unique vocal signatures. Off the coast of Sri Lanka, scientists have documented particularly complex songs that include multiple call types within a single phrase, demonstrating the sophisticated nature of their acoustic communication. In today's oceans, blue whales face unprecedented challenges from anthropogenic noise. The constant hum of ship engines, industrial activities, and other human-generated sounds creates an acoustic smog that threatens to mask their vital communications. Yet, these remarkable creatures show impressive adaptability, adjusting their vocalizations to maintain effective communication in these increasingly noisy waters. As we conclude our journey into the acoustic world of blue whales, we're left with a profound appreciation for these ocean singers. Their vocalizations represent not just a means of communication, but a window into the complex social lives of Earth's largest creatures. From the depths of the ocean emerges a symphony unlike any other, a testament to the sophistication and beauty of nature's largest musicians. The next time you think about the ocean, remember that beneath its surface, an extraordinary concert is taking place. One that has been ongoing for millions of years, performed by the most impressive musicians nature has ever produced. As we continue to study and understand these remarkable vocalizations, we gain not just scientific knowledge, but a deeper appreciation for the intricate ways in which these magnificent creatures interact with their world and each other. In this hidden concert hall of the deep, every song tells a story of survival, of adaptation, of connection. It's a reminder of the extraordinary complexity of life beneath the waves and our responsibility to preserve these ancient songs for generations to come.
Welcome to the deep sea, Earth's final, most enigmatic frontier.